Distributor Trading LLC is a limited liability company. We offer wide range of ID products. We also offer burglar and intruder alarm system. Door sensors are attached to all doors and windows. When door is opened, during alarm status, door sensors send signals to control system which initiates call to your mobile phone and makes loud sound. When motion sensors detects any motion, during alarm status, they send signals to control system which initiates call to your mobile phone and makes loud sound. Device can be scheduled to arm and disarm automatically at particular timings. All sensors are wireless. Get battery low alert by SMS. To get a quote, please contact sales@woodall.com. Sales Manager 00971 5526300348. Sales Executive 00971 5675071124. Landline 00971-67 406860.